Hello and welcome to my channel. We're just about a week away from Christmas here, and if you haven't finished your Christmas shopping yet, I've got some great gift ideas for that handy person on your list. And if you don't know where to find them, I'm going to have links to every one of these products in the description down below. Now, these are affiliate links, so I do get a small percentage back, but it really helps to grow my channel. So the first product, and I use these all the time, is a digital angle finder. Now these things are great when you're adjusting the blades on your tools to make sure that they're cutting at an accurate angle. Uh, Now these here you can set it, they are magnetic so you can attach it to the blade. When you're adjusting it, make sure it's set to a perfect 90. They're great for the table saw. I also use them on my bandsaw to make sure that the table of the bandsaw is perpendicular to the blade itself to make sure that I'm cutting at a perfect 90 there. And I also use it on my miter saw. So it's a great tool to have. I also use it when I do my welding to make sure that everything's at a 90. Next up is Gorilla Glue. Every woodworker uses glue. Every woodworker needs Gorilla Glue. This stuff is amazing. It's great for indoors and outdoors, and it's actually on sale right now. So if you hurry up, you might be able to get the sale price. It's consumable, so it's something that is going to be appreciated. It's going to be used. It's a great product, great gift idea. Next up is a glue bottle. If that handy person on your list happens to buy glue by the gallon, well, this stuff here is great. It helps to dispense just the right amount of glue for your project so you don't get big glue, a lot of squeeze out, big messes of glue, and it also keeps the glue from drying out while it's in the container. So it's a great product, not very expensive, and every woodworker should have one. Next up is the Wen Pocket Hole Jig. This thing is amazing. It works great. I find it even works better than that blue brand, which I'm not going to name, but it's not very expensive, and it's amazing if that handy person builds tables, cabinets, cupboards, whatever. Anything that needs pocket holes, this thing here will do it. It's adjustable. It's a great tool, not very expensive, and it's a must-have for any workshop. Next up is kind of a universal thing. It's well, flashlights. Everybody uses flashlights, but these things here are crazy bright. You can focus the beam so you can go from a flood to a spot, and these things here will light up a house all the way down the block. I'm not joking. These things here are crazy bright. Now they do use an 18650 battery, so if you're planning on getting these, I'd look into getting a charger for them because these batteries are expensive, but they last forever. And these flashlights are insanely bright. We've got quite a few here. I've bought them as gifts before, and I can't say enough about them. They're just awesome. Next up are welding magnets. I have a ton of these in the shop, and they're amazing. If for anybody that does any welding, they should have some. If they don't, they need some. These things here help to keep your workpiece at a perfect 90 degree or 45 when you're doing your tack ups before you do the welds. They're definitely a must-have for any welding shop. Next up are work gloves. These things are awesome. I love them. I use them in my shop all the time. They're nice and warm, but not too hot where you get all sweaty and stuff. They're a great glove. They're long lasting. They're tough. They're durable. The top is breathable on them, so you don't get super sweaty in your gloves. One thing to note is they do seem to be a little bit smaller than the normal sizes, so a large would be a little bit smaller than a large. But I like that because it fits snug when you first put them on. But as you use them and they break in, they get really, really comfortable. They kind of conform to the shape of your hand, and they feel really, really good after that. They're a great, great glove. And the last one is a monitor stand, and this is what I'm using actually right now. And I've got two 24-inch monitors on them, one horizontal, one vertical. It's a great stand. It's very tough. It's very adjustable. Not that expensive either for what it is. And it's a great gift for anybody that has dual monitors. It's actually a must-have. It elevates your monitors off your desk, and anybody who uses dual monitors will appreciate having a stand like this one. So that's it. That was the 8 products that I recommend as last minute gift ideas for this Christmas season. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of when I post new contents. And again, the links for these products are in the description below. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and Merry Christmas.